All right, we got some waypoints in here. Let's see if we can get over to Merritt Island. See a SpaceX launch. FSD now. No stop sign there. Okay, we'll make a left turn up here. Should get over in this left lane. It's not very far over. This is not good. Still not good. Don't even stop. There we go. Okay, got a left turn blinker on. Nobody's behind us. We're in the wrong position. We could have gone in front of this, but we're in a very difficult position here. Now we got cars coming and turning. Uh-oh. I'm just gonna have to get out of the way. Car was coming around me. We'll re-engage, see what happens. FSD now. I'll call that disengagement because I had car trying to get around me. We were splitting two lanes and did not seem to be making progress towards moving out of the way. $89 degrees out. Last I heard, 20% chance of launch. Okay, we slowed there for some reason. There were pedestrians, but they were on the sidewalk. I'm not sure what it saw. Okay, slowing for this car a little bit. Not bad. There's nothing. But we should make a left turn here. Should signal. There's the signal. Coming up. Okay. That was good. One thing very different down here in southern Florida from Cincinnati, where I normally drive, it's very, very flat. All right. Complete stop. Creeping for visibility. There's a car down there, but pretty far off. Nicely done. 125. I'm going to go ahead and give it a little more. Okay, getting over here. Okay, got a bus. Should slow down, slow down, slow down. I disengaged because really we just give that. Go ahead and give these people space. Gave space for turning bus. This would be a hard left turn here for a car to make. FSD now. Okay, right turn up here. There's the street. Keep on rolling. Pretty slow, not bad. Alright, I'll get back a little ways and we'll see if we can edit this on the fly. What it does here. So the interesting intersection, like 5-way, it's updated based on, so that was good. Kind of let me change on the fly. Okay, no visibility at this point. Okay, I'm not sure how that would have worked if there was traffic. We're okay. I can see fine. Full stop. Creeping for visibility. Pretty easy to see. Left turn. Okay, we should creep up here. We got a car on the left. Oh, shit. So I stopped it because that car was starting to wonder what we were doing. All right. Got her back engaged, FSD now. Got a left turn here. Now we got to creep up here to be able to see. Okay, got a little hill. Nothing from the right. Left's good. Okay. That was nice. Again, no cars really to deal with, so it made it a little bit easier. Let's see what we got here. Okay, left turn up here. Should wait for this car to come by. We'll be good to go. That was nice. Full stop here. Going very slow. Car behind us, we should say left now. A little awkward, but not bad. All these birds out here are kind of cute. And we will pull her over down here. Score that route.